Here we are again by the river, which was our campsite, and we're not leaving because we're flooded in. But our tents up here look pretty safe. Unfortunately, there's a little restaurant up here where we're sheltering, but they're not allowing us to stay, so we could be having a long night in our tents in the rain. We're all pretty wet. Here I am here. Hello. Hi there. Pretty wet. This is pretty fogged up. How's that? And there they all are. Feeling pretty wet, but enjoying themselves in good spirits. There's Steve. Always in good spirits, this lot.
Yeah.
There's Mary. Say hi, guys. He's struggling. Some like it wet.
Hey, you're missing me. Hi, Miss Walton. Hi, Miss Walton. Hi, Miss Farrell. I know you're watching. Hi, Cole. Laughing.